Hey there, thanks for watching my Couponify review by Rick Gwynn, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page and show you a demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie, I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This Couponify review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into this platform myself, and I'm going to take you with me as we research this dashboard, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. We'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as we can. Now, let's see what Couponify promises us. Create, publish, and profit. A brand new software creates completely automated and done-for-you coupon affiliate websites loaded with 60,000 plus coupons in just seconds. Free hosting included, instant approval for 1,000 plus affiliate programs, automatic site creation, and done-for-you blog content. If we scroll down just a little bit, it is more of the same big bold claims. It's going to be completely automated, affiliate coupon website and blog site, instant approval for 1,000 plus affiliate programs, and in-depth training videos. Let's take a look inside. First thing we always want to do is take a look at the training. And here in the training, you have 6 videos with a total of 10 minutes of training. It does not answer all the questions that I have. Back on the dashboard, there are some statistics across the top, and this is where you would build a new site. Now, I have already built a site, and we'll take a look at that one. If you go into Manage Done For You sites, you can edit, and if I had clicked Build New Site, this is exactly where it would have taken me. You can put in your requested website name. This is the only chance you have to try to brand this for your business, other than the logo they allow you to put in. This is just a web page on couponify.info. You do not own this, and you cannot troubleshoot this if anything happens to it. But more importantly, you do not own this, and we'll discuss that more in depth a little bit later. You do need to choose your categories for your coupons. I just checked a few on the top, because as we scroll through here, these are not in alphabetical order. They are not in any kind of categories. It is just row after row of all different kinds of niches for you to choose from. So you will have to take the time to come through here and read these and make sure they have products that you want to promote. When you're ready, you'll hit submit. When I did that for my site, it kicked me out, and when I tried to log back on, several different pages like this popped up. Out of habit, I block them, but you need to allow them, and there are a lot. So this was the second one. It was risky. I blocked it. Then this one popped up. I hit the block button and I can't go back and allow it now. So be prepared for that, especially if you are going to connect your own custom domain or to your WordPress website. You are going to have to deal with all of those pop-ups and them being risky and you not necessarily knowing where they're coming from. Once you hit submit, you would need to manage your affiliate settings. And these are the programs that they're telling you you will be 100% automatically approved for. Now, I just recently did a 3-part Amazon affiliate program requirement series, and I know that you do not immediately get approved for Amazon no matter what. If you click here to get approval, all it is a document showing you where to enter your Amazon Associate ID. So there's absolutely no information on how to get approved for the Amazon affiliate website. And with Amazon, you actually have to own your own website as well. So there are rules and regulations that Couponify is not adhering to. It's the same thing with each of these. It is just a document that shows you where to put your information when you get it. And if you want to update your blog, you will need a news API key. I did take a few of these out to see if it would take the products out if I didn't have an affiliate ID in there, and they did take the products out if you don't have an affiliate ID in there. Click submit, and then you can set up your blog campaign. You can see I've already set 2 up here. This is where you would choose your website you want to apply it to, and then you can input your own RSS feed. You can use their database where you can choose sources, and these sources are going to have rules on what you can and cannot do with these RSS feeds. You cannot monetize some companies' RSS feeds. So if you choose blog content and do a keyword search, it pulled Wired for most of mine, and we'll look at that in just a second. But Wired is going to have its own rules and regulations about whether I can monetize it or not. If we look at some of the articles that it's pulled, you can come in here and edit these, and I would highly suggest that you do that. This article is going to show up exactly like this on your website. And right now, these are all redirecting to Wired.com. If this stays in your article on your web page, then you are giving your customers a chance to leave your site, never to come back to buy anything from you or for you to make any money. And the thing is it's not just that article. It's most of these articles. This is going to be pretty high maintenance if you have to come in here every day to go through those articles and pull out those original affiliate links. Next, they do give you the option for an ad manager. You can add sidebar, homepage, and when you go to add them, they do give you the dimensions. You would be able to put your image in, and then your affiliate link for that image or product would go here. Subscriber list is only going to be for upsell number 2, but because I'm in the review access, you're going to see the pop-up. If I were to enter anything into that pop-up, it lands here in the subscriber list, and you cannot connect this to an autoresponder. The only thing you can do is export this or copy this, save it to your PC, and then manually import it into your autoresponder, which just seems like a lot of trouble. Now that we've taken a look at all the things we can put into our website, if we go to manage websites, we can add pages, and this is also where your website settings is. Now, because I had that little problem with all of these pop-ups that kept coming up, I can't seem to get into my website settings. But if we look at that page from the training videos, you can see the only thing it allows you to connect within your settings is Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And if we actually take a look at our site, you will also have buttons within the site that you can share to your current existing social media lists. So my question to you is, who is on your Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter list? Is it your family and friends that you share funny things with? Or is it your customers that know you do affiliate marketing and want product recommendations from you so they can buy from you? Because if it is not people that know you do affiliate marketing, you will make no extra sales with Couponify. Here is my home page. I was not able to put a logo in, so the only branding I have is the page name. It promises products from Amazon, Groupon, Booksbaby, Flipkart. I was able to put a banner in, and then these products you can share again to your current existing social media lists on any and all of these platforms. And most of them don't make any sense, and several of them don't work either. If your customer wanted to see the code, this box does pop up. This one is no coupon needed. You would just visit the store. I'll scroll down so you can see a few more that are on this page. And because I only picked a few categories, there are plenty of empty boxes down at the bottom that I don't think look very good. These categories are based on the ones we chose of products to promote. I did add an affiliate disclaimer page. Stores list all the stores that products are listed on your site from. So there is a full list on your website if you need that for some reason. And if we take a look at the RSS feeds that automatically update our website, it does happen on the blog. And we'll take a look at this. And this is how our article would look. Again, with the original affiliate links loaded in, giving your customers an opportunity to leave at almost every chance. I did add a small side banner as well. And if we take a look at one of the other websites on here, you can see it looks exactly the same as the one I made. So it's not even going to be original. You can't adjust or update any of this. So yours is going to look like everybody else's. So what's the strategy with Couponify? It is to build an automatically updating coupon affiliate web page with updating coupons daily and content to share with your current existing social media lists. My problems with Couponify are that they cannot guarantee you instant approval on at least Amazon. Rakuten also has an affiliate approval process, and I know CJ has an approval process. So it will take you time. With Amazon, it can take up to 6 months to get approved for an affiliate ID. As a matter of fact, with Amazon, if you even use your links in an unapproved place, they can ban and terminate your account, never to be an affiliate again. So be sure you are reading the rules of these affiliate programs. If you decide to use a blog campaign, it is going to be high maintenance coming in here and updating these articles so that your customers don't go to some other website for you not to make a sale from them. As with most of Rick Gwen's products, this is going to be more time and effort than they told you it was going to take on their sales page. If we take a look at the pricing for Couponify, on the front end it's $18.50. Upsell number 1 is the unlimited edition that allows you to make more sites. Upsell number 2 is where you get that fancy pop-up box when you enter your website. So you're already in over $100 just to get that, and you still can't connect it to an autoresponder. Upsell number 3 is $37, and upsell number 4 is your reseller at $97. All total, you're going to spend $267 on a product that may or may not be safe and allow you to actually get it up and running. I'll leave it up to you if you want to waste your time, energy, and money on Couponify. It's going to take a lot longer than just seconds to get approved for some of these affiliate programs. The Done For You blog content is going to need to be maintained, often daily. So this is going to take a lot more time than you're willing to put in. Remember, if you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I really hope this Couponify review answered all of your questions. If it didn't and you still have questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.